Hello, my name is James Turner and I am Senior Solicitor at Laurent Law Barristers Solicitors located in Grey Lynn, Auckland, New Zealand. Now, you might be wondering how you can apply for residence in New Zealand. In this video, I will give a simplified overview of the main ways you can apply for residence in New Zealand at the current time. The first main way to apply for residence in New Zealand is based on partnership with a New Zealand citizen or resident. In basic terms, to be approved residence based on partnership, you need to have been living together in a genuine and stable partnership with a New Zealand citizen or resident for at least 12 months. If you have lived together in a genuine and stable partnership with a New Zealand citizen or resident for at least 5 years outside New Zealand, you can apply directly for permanent residence. I have prepared a video blog regarding partnership visas previously. This can be found on our website. The second main way to apply for residence in New Zealand can be summarised in basic terms as applying based on an offer of employment with an accredited employer. If your job or job offer with an accredited employer is on Tier 1 of Immigration New Zealand's Green List, you can apply for residence under the straight to residence category. Occupations on Tier 1 of the Green List are occupations which there are severe shortage of in New Zealand. It includes a wide range of medical, engineering and IT professionals. Just to name a few, the list of Tier 1 occupations includes general practitioner, diagnostic and interventional radiologist, civil engineer, quantity surveyor and construction project manager. If your occupation is on Tier 2 of Immigration New Zealand's Green List, you can apply for residence under the Work to Residence category, where you have first worked for at least 24 months in New Zealand while holding an accredited employer work visa. Occupations on Tier 2 of the Green List are occupations which there are a shortage of in New Zealand, although presumably not as a severe shortage as occupations on the Tier 1 of the Green List. To name a few occupations on Tier 2 of the Green List, it includes registered nurse, midwife, secondary school teacher and electrician. If you are curious about whether your occupation appears on the Green List, you can carry out a search on the Immigration New Zealand website at www.immigration.govt.nz. If you have held a job for at least 24 months with an accredited employer in New Zealand, and it is what Immigration New Zealand will accept as highly paid, you can also apply for residence in New Zealand. Highly paid means paid at least twice the median wage, currently $59.32 per hour. Now, you can also apply for residence under what is called the skilled migrant category. The skilled migrant category provides a way to apply for residence in New Zealand where the applicant has a job or a job offer in higher skilled occupations and is being paid at least $29.66 per hour, or in lower skilled occupations paying at least $44.49 per hour. Please note that these rates of pay do change over time. The definition of what is high and low skilled is guided by the Australia and New Zealand Standard Classification of Occupations, or ANZCO for short. It gets complicated around this, so best to book an appointment with us if you want to discuss this one. If you can score at least 180 points under the skilled migrant category based on factors such as your age, qualifications and having a job offer in New Zealand, you can expect to be approved residence. The third main or significant way to apply for residence in New Zealand is by applying under the active investor category. This category, which requires a minimum investment in New Zealand of 5 million New Zealand dollars in what Immigration New Zealand deems active investments, replaced some older investor categories in September 2022. The new category is set up to attract investment into New Zealand companies which are not listed on any securities or stock exchange and are looking for investment in order to grow and expand. The list of companies looking for investment at any particular time can be found on the Live Deals page of the New Zealand Trade and Enterprise website. The detailed rules of the active investor category are quite complicated, and the level of commitment involved in pursuing a residence application under this category is not to be underestimated. you definitely should consider getting professional assistance if you want to apply under the active investor category. Thank you for listening to my video. If you would like to apply for residence in New Zealand and would like to discuss any of the options which I have discussed here, please feel welcome to book a consultation by using our website. Thank you and all the best.